Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's discuss about the new topic that is common IT tickets. Okay, and today is day 13. In this we will mainly discuss about the reset password, printer not working and network down. Okay, so let's discuss one by one. It's a common IT ticket. Just keep it in mind if you will aware about these all common IT tickets, then you can easily handle the tickets. So let's discuss first what is the introduction about the IT support and how to handle the tickets. So in IT support, tickets are issues or requests raised by users. Okay, when they face technical problems. Basically, tickets are issue or request, and these tickets are raised by the users if they are facing any technical problems or any applications related issues. So they can simply raise the ticket. Okay. So every organization uses tools like ServiceNow, Jira, Service Desk, or Remedy to track and resolve these issues efficiently. Okay. So to resolve the issues of the users, basically there is one platform, there is the tool like ServiceNow Jira. There you can simply, handle the tickets. You can just filter the different types of tickets accordingly. Suppose some tickets are related to the applications and they have raised the incident, so you can filter it out okay, this incident number and what is the issue, simply filter it out. Some they can raise the service request, SR request is there. Some they can raise the CR request, change request is there. So you can easily handle and you can easily filter out all the tickets and the issues according to your, you know, which is come under your responsibility, what ticket you basically handled. So accordingly, you can just filter it out. So it's a very tool to use the this to handle the tickets like ServiceNow, Jira, Service Desk. Okay. So each ticket is categorized based on priority, impact, and type. Okay. And for example, password reset. So low impact ticket will be there. Like categorize in the case like P1, P2, P3, P4, P5. So P1 category is for the critical ticket. Means those tickets are very critical. You have to, resolve and take action as soon as possible. Okay, so this is the higher priority ticket. So it will be denoted like the P1. So there is a category wise, there is a different type of category, and according to that, you can just take the action. Network outage like high impact. Okay, so you can raise the P1 ticket for the network outage, etc. In this way, many tickets came under in our queue and in our assignment group, and accordingly those according to your type you can check the which tickets are low priority, which tickets are high priority. So accordingly you can just filter it out and take action as soon as possible. So let's discuss first one is the reset password ticket and what it is. So this is one of the most common tickets raised by the users to reset the password. So it is the lowest impact, and this ticket basically come under the P4 or P5 category. Okay, below P1, and it occurs when a user forgets their password, account get locked, or they need to update their password for security reasons. So in that case, users can raise the request to reset the password. Okay. or user's account get locks, or users want to update their password. So in that case, they can raise this common ticket. And how to resolve? Suppose you are a IT support engineer, and in your assignment group, you get a ticket like to reset the password. So if you are aware, if you know how, you know all the steps how to resolve it, then you can simply go and then uh, resolve the issue of the user. So steps to resolve the issue, like first is to verify user identity, like confirm with employee ID, email or other details. Okay, first you have to identify it, and then second to check account status. Is the account locked or expired? Yes, then after you can just proceed with the reset password and all, because first you have to verify the user identity, whether user belong to this application or not, what is the user employee ID, and then next is to the user account is locked or user account gets expired, or if expired then from how many days or month it's get expired. So you have to check this. Third step is to reset the password, like using your system. Example, Active Directory, Doxys, or SAT. This tool you can use to reset the password. Fourth one is to communicate the new password securely or guide the user to reset it via self-service portal. Yeah, there is the self-service portal is there. Once you go to that portal, you automatically from yourself you can just reset the password, and it will update in your system and everywhere. So in this way, you can resolve the password issue, reset password. Example is like user ticket is unable to log into system and it says incorrect password. So what will you take action on this case? Verified user first and then found account locked. Okay. So what you did, reset the password and then user logged in successfully. Once this password will get reset, user will be able to log in successfully. Resolution is the password reset completed and ticket closed. Okay. So in this way you can resolve the ticket. Next issue is like the printer not working ticket. So what it is mainly? So this ticket is raised when users face issues like printer not responding, paper jam, or printer offline or out of ink, or unable to print over the network. So in this case, what will you do? So first step is to check printer power and cable connection. Okay. Second step is verify network connection. If it's a network printer, so you have to check the network connection. Third is to restart print spooler service on the user's computer if required. So you have to restart the print spooler service. Fourth is to clear printer queue and try printing a test page. Simply you can just for checking purpose you can try to print a test page whether it's a printing or not, and replace toner or a refill paper if necessary. So this is the step to resolve the printer issues. Okay. Example is like user ticket you will get printer is not printing my document. Okay. So action taken is check network connection, found printer offline, then restarted the printer and then tested successfully. Once you get restarted the printer, if it's working properly, then test means this issue get resolved. Resolution is to printer issue resolved and ticket closed. So in this way, you can resolve the issue of printer. Third issue is like the network down ticket. What it is, and it is very high impact ticket. Okay, it's a critical ticket. Suppose if you are getting any ticket related to the network down, so you can see like a critical issue that affects multiple users or the entire organization. If network down. Okay, and it happens when users can't connect to the internet, intranet, or shared drives. So this issues mainly create. Steps to resolve if network is down. So identify the scope, like is it one user, one floor, or the entire office? First, you have to identify this one. Okay. And then second is to check the network cables and Wi-Fi connection. Third step is to ping the gateway to verify connectivity. Okay, you can check by typing the ping and your IP address whether your system is able to connect or not. So in this way you can check the connectivity also. Fourth is to restart router or switch if required under admin supervision, because see you cannot restart the router or any switch by yourself. If you have to take the approval or a supervision, under the supervision of the admin, you have to restart the router. And fifth one is to inform network team. If the issue is widespread, example ISP problem, so in this case you have to, there is a different domain is there. Like if any issues related to the network, you can connect with the network team. If any issues related to the database, then you can connect with the database team. If any issues related to Windows system, then there is a different team, Wintel team are there. So if you are able to identify that okay, this issue is related to the network, then simply go and raise the ticket to the network team. They will check and try to resolve the issue. Example like user ticket like no internet access since morning. So action taken is check router, found network switch not responding. Once you check router, if you found that network switch not responding, then network team rebooted devices. Okay, and the internet will restore. So resolution will be like network connection reestablished and ticket will get closed. Key takeaways for freshers is like always document steps taken in the ticketing system. Yeah, this is very important. If whatever the steps you have taken while resolving the ticket, you have to document one by one each and every steps, whatever the steps you have taken to resolve the issues. Second one is to communicate clearly and politely with the users. Yes. Once suppose if any users are facing issues related to the network or any other issues, and if users are frustrated, they want to get it resolved as soon as possible. So you have to clearly communicate and make sure like issue will resolve as soon as possible. Allow me some time and communicate with the users very politely. Okay. Third step is to follow SOPs, like a standard operating procedure for each issue. Yeah, for each and every steps and each and every different type of issues, there is one SOPs are created. A standard operating procedure. Suppose issues is related to the network, then follow the SOPs for the network related issues, and resolve the issue. So it is the easy way and it will be very, helpful. Suppose if there is an urgency and if users want to, I have a urgent work, I have to do work urgently. So please resolve it at the earliest possible. In that case, it will very helpful. It will help you to, resolve, open the SOPs, follow the step and resolve the issues. So please follow the SOPs. Fourth step is to escalate if issues is beyond your access or expertise. Yeah. Suppose you are only handle ticket related to the network issues or password reset issues or printer related issues, and if this issues is beyond your access or expertise, you are not aware about these issues, so please escalate to the your senior or your other team or those who are one step level, like if you are L1, then please escalate this to L2 team or L3 team to resolve these issues. Okay. Fifth step is to learn to prioritize tickets, like a network down is urgent, password reset is lower priority. Yes, this is also you have to learn. Like, suppose you got a ticket like a network is down, and other ticket is the password reset. So you have to first prioritize the ticket which is more urgency, like which tickets create a very big issues, like it can impact the organization also, and many users can face the issues if network is down. So first you have to take action for the to resolve the issue of the network down. Okay, and then you have to go for the next issues, that is the password reset, because it is the lower priority. So in this way you can just resolve the issue. Conclusion is like handling IT ticket is a daily task for support engineers, and by mastering basic tickets like password reset, printer troubleshooting, and network issues, you will build a strong foundation for IT support or system admin roles. So, this is very important. Like you follow these all the steps while you got any issues related to the system or network, then you can resolve the issues professional way, and it will help you to master the basic tickets. Okay, then you can able to build a strong foundation. So that's all for today. If you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.